Open your eyes. It's 2025 and it's not a peaceful morning. Your alarm blares relentlessly. Unread emails pile up. Client messages buzz nonstop. Your kids are screaming. Breakfast? Forgotten. Your mind's already tangled in chaos and you feel yourself being torn apart piece by piece. Here's the question. Will you let this storm drag you under? Or will you stand firm, forge your mind into a fortress, and reclaim control? Welcome to Stoic Reign, where we don't just talk about Stoic philosophy, we live it every single day. If you're over 35, juggling a demanding career, family, and invisible pressures no one else sees, this is for you. These 10 daily Stoicism exercises aren't about escaping chaos. They're about building an unshakable spirit right in its heart. Get ready to master your mind, reduce anxiety, boost productivity, and become the strongest, deepest, most peaceful version of yourself. Let's dive in. Stoic philosophy doesn't hide from chaos. It thrives in it. In a world of social media rants, workplace drama, and global crises, your mind is your sanctuary. The Stoics, Marcus Aurelius, Epictetus, mastered this 2,000 years ago, and their Stoicism lessons are your shield today. These Stoicism exercises, crafted for Stoicism for beginners and Stoicism for women, are practical tools to boost mental health, fuel self-improvement, and live with purpose. Nothing shakes you unless you let it. That's the Stoicism motivation we're igniting, and Stoic Reign is your guide to a stronger, calmer you. First, one of the most powerful Stoicism exercises, the trigger journal. Every day, something sparks you, a snarky coworker, a biting X comment, a slow driver. Those reactions aren't the world's fault, they're mirrors of your inner stories. Grab a notebook or phone. When triggered, write 3 things. What happened, how you reacted, the story you told yourself, like they think I'm worthless. Review it nightly. These Stoicism exercises, inspired by Carl Jung's call to make the unconscious conscious, reveal fears driving your stress. Start today and watch your Stoicism mindset shift. Next, one of the simplest Stoicism exercises, the pause protocol. The space between a trigger and your reaction is your power. When stress hits, a rude email, a parenting clash, count to 5 slowly, breathe deeply, feel the urge to snap but hold it. These Stoicism exercises train emotional control, easing anxiety in high-pressure moments. At work, it's the difference between an outburst and a calm response. Try it next time a client tests you. This Stoicism daily habit, perfect for Stoicism, for women juggling roles, makes you master of your reactions. Now let's dig deeper with Stoicism exercises. The shadow mirror. When you judge someone, a colleague's ego, a friend's laziness, you reveal your own shadows. For this Stoicism exercise, spend 2 minutes alone daily. List one thing that irritated you. My boss's arrogance. Ask, where do I show this? Maybe you're impatient under stress. Write it down. This Stoicism practice, blending Stoic philosophy with Jung's shadow self, turns judgment into growth. It's ideal for Stoicism relationships, boosting self-awareness and mental health. Start tonight and turn irritation into wisdom. One of the core Stoicism exercises is the control compass. Peace lies in focusing on what's yours to command. Each morning, grab your Stoic journal. Draw 2 circles, one for what you control, effort, words, attitude, one for what you don't, traffic, others' opinions, the news. Commit to acting only on the first. I'll nail my presentation with focus. These Stoicism exercises free you from frustration, reducing anxiety in a noisy world. It's Stoicism for beginners at its heart, a mental health lifeline. Try it tomorrow and feel calm take root. Let's build resilience with Stoicism exercises. The response rehearsal. Strength isn't luck, it's training. Each night, visualize a tough moment, a client's critique, a family argument. Replay it, but see yourself staying calm, breathing, responding with Stoic clarity. Your brain treats this as real practice, wiring a Stoicism mindset for real-world storms. These Stoicism exercises prepare you for work stress or Stoicism on love challenges. Start tonight and make control your default. It's Stoicism motivation in action. One of the most magnetic Stoicism exercises is the silence ritual. Insecurity makes us over-explain, draining energy. For this Stoicism exercise, pick one conversation today with a colleague, spouse. Speak less. Pause before replying. Hold silence without discomfort. People will feel your presence more. This Stoicism practice, great for Stoicism for women navigating social pressures, boost confidence and productivity. Try it in your next Zoom call and feel the power of restraint. It's Stoicism daily, pure and simple. Disappointment comes from misplaced expectations, so let's tackle it with Stoicism exercises. The expectation cleanse. Every Sunday, list 5 expectations you held, like expecting a promotion, a kind response. Ask, did this serve me or hurt me? Replace, each with a Stoic standard. Instead of expecting respect, embody it. These Stoicism exercises build resilience, perfect for Stoicism relationships and mental health. Start this weekend and watch your peace deepen. It's self-improvement through accountability. In a digital age, Stoicism exercises must counter noise. The digital detachment hour. Your phone, X alerts, email pings, fuels anxiety. For this Stoicism exercise, set it to airplane mode for 1 hour daily. No scrolling, no reacting. Walk, write, or sit in stillness. This Stoicism practice trains mindfulness, grounding you in chaos. It's a mental health must for 2025, especially for Stoicism for beginners. Start tonight and reclaim your focus. These Stoicism exercises make peace a choice. Your self-talk shapes your reality, so let's refine it with Stoicism exercises. The inner dialogue audit. When your inner critic strikes after a work mistake, parenting fumble, pause. Replace it with a Stoic affirmation. I control my effort, not the outcome. Or obstacles sharpen me. Write it in your Stoic journal. These Stoicism exercises build a Stoicism mindset, easing anxiety and fueling confidence. Start today and own your inner voice. It's Stoicism, motivation for every challenge. Finally, one of the deepest Stoicism exercises, the perception shift. Nothing affects you unless you let it, as Stoics and Jung knew. When triggered, an insult, a setback, pause. Ask, what story am I telling myself? Example, they ignored me, so I'm worthless. Rewrite it. Their actions don't define me. This Stoicism exercise, blending Stoic quotes and Jung's shadow self, makes you untouchable. Try it next time you're slighted and feel your power return. These Stoicism exercises are your key to peace in a noisy world. These 10 Stoicism exercises, trigger journal, pause protocol, shadow mirror, control compass, response rehearsal, silence ritual, expectation cleanse, digital detachment, inner dialogue audit, perception shift, are your blueprint to conquer 2025's chaos. They're practical Stoicism lessons to reduce anxiety, supercharge productivity, and live with unshakable purpose. Work stress, family demands, digital overload, these Stoicism exercises keep you centered, powerful, free. Stoicism isn't about reading Stoic quotes, it's about living them. Pick one. Pause protocol for calm, perception, shift for strength, commit for 7 days, track it in your Stoic journal, and watch your Stoicism mindset transform. Why Stoic Reign? We're not just teaching Stoic philosophy, we're forging warriors of peace. These Stoicism exercises are your crown, your tools to master a noisy world. You're not alone. Join the Stoic Reign community on X, share your favorite Stoicism exercise, and let's ignite each other's growth. Subscribe for more Stoicism daily practices. Which will you claim? Trigger journal to know yourself? Silence ritual to own your presence? Drop it on X with I choose stillness over noise and tag a friend. Your mind is your fortress. Your peace is your power. This is your reign. Build your Stoic legacy now.